that we've been to.
My hair is like sticking to my face, but we're so excited. We're literally on an escalator. I have no idea what's in store right now, but you're coming shopping with us. Hopefully we find some amazing things here in Chicago at T.J.Maxx. It's like T.J.Maxx / Marshalls, I think. We're actually going to start in the Marshall side. There's like an upstairs and a downstairs of this place. It's humongous. So I'm going to take you guys through some of the home decor first because that's the section we're in right now. And they have some pretty good things. So good thing we drove to Chicago because might have to stock up the truck. They have a ton of Ray Dunn stuff here. And we were looking at all of these. And we saw that they had one like with my brother's name on it. And then we went over here and we saw that they had a Josh one. So that was really cool.
I don't even drink coffee, but...
Yeah, but he might just have to get it just because we found his name. So they have a ton of Ray Dunn here. I kind of like the black ones even better.
Yeah, these are sweet. I like these ones.
And like those plates, those are cool too.
I don't think I'll get the white one because it's not in black.
Yeah, now that we sell black, like we're like...
I'm gonna wait until I find
oh,
one.
Man.
And Josh in this.
Yeah, good idea.
Oh, H for happy birthday.
Okay.
Okay, go.
I just got one of these from Home Goods for like $5. Here, they have the cutest little marble one. This is only $7.99. I should have got this one.
It's really heavy though for that.
I didn't know what it did. I just figured that out, but it's cute.
It is very heavy. The marble one is
$7.99
for the shelf.
Okay.
Ooh, what is that?
Oh, cutting board, $14.99, but it's like half marble.
Ooh.
They have a ton of cutting boards here. Look at all of like those pretty wood cutting boards. This one's like super thin and cool. This one's $12.99. This is like my favorite aisle always to go in, like at T.J.Maxx and Marshalls and stuff, because they just have so many cool things. Like, look at these little magnets, little Ray Dunn magnets. They have a bunch of different ones. They're $6.99. Oh, Kate Spade back here. Little office supplies. These are adorable for $9.99. They have a ton of little adorable notebooks, planners. I mean, you guys know I always love a good planner. This one's nice. Joshua, I feel like this one is kind of like manly. Like you might like this notebook. It's like a leather
Teacher of the Year?
No.
Oh, this notebook?
Yeah.
What's inside of it?
Well, there's a black one too.
Oh, it's just a notebook.
Yeah, but it's cool.
I have lots of notebooks.
Okay, fine.
Oh, only $7 though.
Hey, this is a cute little calendar thingy. Oh, is it broke? Okay, let's move on. This is also the best place to get like birthday cards, bags, all that stuff. They always have the best. I always like run in here if I need a bag or something. But whoa, marble little pens. $3.99. Ray Dunn ones. This place has so much Ray Dunn stuff. Like Ray Dunn pens.
By the way, everyone, this is Chicago, so...
Yeah, don't forget, this is Chicago,
Chicago.
everyone.
This
place is huge. Like, we're never gonna get through it. If I showed you guys everything in here, we'd be here for about 10 hours. Look at, it's a wedding beanbag toss game.
My.
That's cool. It says happily ever after on it. That's really cute. A ton more notebooks. Oh my word. My mom is going to die when she sees this because she loves Coca-Cola. And we saw something like this at Home Goods one time. I might have showed it in the Shop With Me video, but I think it was like a Pepsi one. And she was like, oh, if it was Coca-Cola, I would get it. It's $149.99 here. Oh yeah, it's dented it a little bit, but it's on wheels. It's super cool. But look at this one over here. This one is super adorable too. Oh, and then you can take the little bin off of there. Clearance. $69. It's like 50% off right now.
Is this one?
Oh my word. That one should be like clearance off too. But
I just love the bottle
this is so cool.
Well, you have to buy the glass bottles.
Yeah, you have to buy the glass bottles.
I mean, you have to.
Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm probably not going to bring this home, but it's really adorable. So looking at some of like the faux plants, succulents, stuff like that, they even have Ray Dunn planters. Like, They just have so much of that stuff here. I don't think I've ever seen so much. This planter is adorable. Oh my word. Love that one. Joshua just pointed this one out. He's like, you need this for your propagation station because I'm trying to propagate some plants right now. Oh, that's funny. I just need that little planter. They have a bunch of diffusers here, but I want a diffuser that's like battery operated. I want one that's cute, but like battery operated. So if you guys know a brand, let me know. Okay. I'm noticing the Marshalls and T.J.Maxx here in Chicago has way more designer stuff. Like they have a ton of like Michael Kors belts. This one's only $16.99. Some are like reversible, like this one's like $16.99, so you have brown and black. They even have like the little belt bags. Okay, look at how many great things they have for packing. Like this is literally $4.50. It's like a little cute clear bag with a bunch of little bottles in it and stuff, but they have a ton of stuff like that here. And then these are the packing cubes, not the exact same ones, but these are like what I use for packing. And they keep me so organized. I love them. So this is where I originally got mine. But they always have a ton here. They have like a ton of suitcases. Oh, this is a Pack Suitcase. I can always find them here at like T.J.Maxx. Mine's the pink one that I showed in my pack with me.
And this one is?
Oh, this one is $59. It's on clearance. That's awesome. They have like the most suitcases I've ever seen at a T.J.Maxx before though. Oh, look at how cute this whole luggage set is. It's all Juicy Couture. Those are really cute, like little tie-dye. So they literally have like Gucci bags here at this T.J.Maxx, which is crazy. It's $7.99 here, which is obviously still like super expensive. But I guess it was originally like over $1,000. So kind of interesting.
What'd you find here?
Okay, I love these little Adidas sneakers.
Adidas girl right here.
Adidas tends to run kind of big, so I gotta see if these fit. But they are $34.99.
What?
Such a good price.
Then there's these ones that I found. Not for me, of course. 7.5. $59.99. She goes, shine them on. They look big. They feel big.
My toe is right here.
Oh, well.
They look big though.
Yeah. Well, those are the same ones I found, but in a different pink.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
I don't know.
I thought she found Gucci shoes, but tell them what they are. They're more Adidas.
These are cool. I think I definitely need to size down in Adidas.
Is it like a fluff?
6.5.
Yeah, it's kind of like a...
A fluff. I mean, I feel like I need maybe like a half size smaller.
What is that one?
A 7, but I feel like maybe a 6.5. I don't know.
Okay. And not many people wear Adidas that are 6.5s because there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one.
Okay, they have so many cute shoes at this one. These ones are Steve Madden. I literally still see them at the like actual store. You can get them here for way cheaper right now. What are these? Slip-ons?
They look like the Steve Madden.
Oh, they're like Anne Klein or something. These little booties are really cute. I mean, they just have like a lot of really cute shoes here. Oh, are these Converse? Oh yeah, they are. These sort of look like the shoes I just showed in my Nordstrom shop with me that my mom got, but I want to show these because these kind of look like little Hermes shoes and they're really cute with the block heel. They look super comfortable for Steve Madden. They're $39.99. Super cute. They have so many great dog things here. This seriously makes us miss our puppies so much, but Joshua's mom's taking care of them. But we actually still need to get Bandit a life jacket. They have one here, but this one looks like it might be a little big. But should we get them? We don't walk out of here with anything but dog toys. I could just see Bandit holding that. Yeah, he would love that so much. And then we'd have to find something Dude would like. What is this? Dude
would like something like this.
Or he always likes like these ones.
Oh yeah, the search and rescues.
Yeah, like where you like pull out the little crayons. He likes those kind of things. Maybe we should get him that. So that was it for this shopping video at T.J.Maxx/Marshalls in Chicago. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And we will see you very soon in my next video.